This dog is excited. And this one too. Because they're going on a walk. They are so happy. This dog is climbing up a hill and home. This dog is barking for protection. Going downhill. They are listening, sniffing for anything that they can find down in this creek. This dog is leading and she is behind. In this forest, they go around. This place is where they can walk around. She is taking the lead, looking around and sniffing. She has spotted something over into the distance. This dog knows how to get through here. In this cave, they go around. This is the tunnel. He is the king of this. Running up this hill, these dogs are fast. On top of this hillside, it is very big. Kicking and barking. They know something's happening right now. This bird is looking around. She's climbing up this hill where she can find stuff. This dog too is looking around. This dog comes down the hill. Walking down this hill, she is taking the lead. The dog behind is just waiting and doing some most other stuff. Kicking to tell where he goes. And he is right here, listening from behind. Focusing around, she runs. It is beginning for the sun to set. So these dogs are going. And there are frogs. This dog is going through the cave. They are almost out of the cave. And there it is. They have came out of the cave. They are going ahead, going through these bushes. Where they shall be going. These dogs are going around back to where they are. This dog is so tired. She needs to drink. This dog is eating and he is very hungry from that walk.